I will send to you
Okay.
when you go to your
I'm waiting.
when you go to your country.
No, no, Tuesday.
23? This 23?
Yes.
Wow, I will miss you so much,
You really
darling.
miss me?
Yeah, because you're my friend.
Me too, I miss you.
Oh, thank you so much, Abby. Good luck to your vacation.
Thank you.
And then the other one, Filipina. Hi, Dai. She's washing the dishes. Hello, Dai. Salam alaikum. She's Lynn.
Ano yan?
Lynn.
Ano yan?
Hi, Lynn. Uloy! Video lang ko. Isa na sa'yo. Hi, Lynn. Nagugas ka ng ano, Lynn? Say hi, Lynn.
Hi.
She also go to agency ngayong 24. Bye, Lynn. I miss you also.
I miss you too.
Okay. Nag-video lang ako kasi para may ano ako sa kanila. Remembrance. Bye-bye, guys. Naspa. Where are you eating na? Asan? Saan?
Inside.
Ah! Bahala mo diha. Uy.
Ginamot na ta?
Kinamot na to eh. Habibi, taali, akit. Yan yung pagkain namin. Para, ano yan siya? Gipuro no? At ito pala yung pagkain ko kagabi guys. Hapunan ko. Prepare ng madam ko. Salamat madam. God bless you. Sana hindi magbago yung ugali mo hanggang sa 2 years. Bye.